Ever wondered how some people talk to AI and it feels like they're summoning digital wizards? While others get stuck with, "I'm sorry, I can't do that." Welcome to the magic of prompt engineering, and in 3 minutes you're gonna learn the whole thing. Hey there, AI Explorer. If you've ever typed into ChatGPT and got meh results, it's not the AI's fault. It's you, but also not your fault. Slight chuckle. You just need to learn how to speak AI. So let's decode prompt engineering, step by step, no jargon, no fluff. Part 1. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is just asking AI the right way. Imagine AI is a genius intern. If you say, write a blog, it panics. But if you say, write a 500-word blog in a friendly tone about morning routines for busy moms, boom, masterpiece. All right, let's talk money. Prompt engineer salaries are huge because using AI is fun. But getting paid to talk to AI? Now that's elite. There's a new job title floating around, prompt engineer. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But nope, it's real. And people are cashing in. The average salary for a prompt engineer, anywhere from $100,000 to over $300,000 per year. And get this, many don't even need a tech degree. Just great thinking, communication skills, and a little creativity. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and startups everywhere are literally hiring people to write better AI prompts for marketing, coding, design, customer support, even memes. Think of it like this. AI is the engine. Prompt engineers, they're the drivers. And the better you are at driving, the more value you bring. Part 2, the 3-ingredient formula. Here's your prompt sandwich. First, tell AI who it is. You're a professional chef. Second task, tell it what to do. Write a recipe for healthy pancakes. Third style, tell it how to do it. Make it fun and easy for beginners. Here's an example. Act as a personal trainer. Create a 4-week beginner workout plan. Be motivational like a Peloton coach. Result? Fire. Energetic. Part 3, advanced tricks. Let's level up, because you're not basic. Playful. Use examples. Give me 3 tweet ideas like these, and add your samples. Set constraints. Limit it to 100 words. Make it sound like Ryan Reynolds wrote it. Ask it to revise itself. Now rewrite that, but punchier. Yep, you can boss the bot around. Wink and voice. Part 4, what tools use prompts? It's not just ChatGPT. Prompts work everywhere. Midjourney and DALL-E for AI art. Claude for long-form writing. Sora, yes, AI makes videos now. Even Google search is getting prompty. Soon, your coffee machine might ask for prompts. Playful. Knowing how to write great prompts is like having a superpower in 2025. The better you ask, the better AI works for you. And the best part? You don't need a degree, just a bit of practice. Encouraging. Want to become a prompt ninja? Hit like, subscribe, and comment Prompt Master below. I'll reply with free prompt packs. Excited. AI is the future. And you're already ahead. Confident.